heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? When it goes like this, the fourth and fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love is how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. It's not a cry that you hear enough, it's not someone who's seen the light, it's a call and it's a broken hallelujah, hallelujah,
Cause I can't live without you. Girl, I can't live without you.
Cloud9
Cause I can't
strength.
live without
I
you.
need you back on my soul.
Girl, I can't live
Cause I
without
actually
you.
feel all the both of my mood.